Let us discuss our today's class, that is ARM introduction or ARM introduction. Okay. First, we will discuss what is exactly ARM. What is exactly ARM? ARM is nothing but your advanced risk machine. ARM is nothing but your advanced risk machine. What is ARM? ARM is nothing but your advanced risk machine, which is used for commercial purpose. Which is used for commercial purpose. So what is ARM and in which purpose ARM is used? We have to discuss in this class. Okay. So let us discuss exactly ARM कौन, ARM रो history कौन, and ARM रो features कौन, and in which application ARM is used. को application रे हमें ARM को use करू पारिबा. Okay. So next, all of you write down all these points. So next is, in which application advanced risk machine microcontroller is used. In which application advanced risk machine microcontroller is used? First application is your video games. All of you are aware that what is video games. Okay. Next is your video games controller. Video games controller. Video game को जे कंट्रोल करे, that is video games controller. Next is your mobile phones. Mobile phones also having the advanced risk machine microcontroller. Next is your modem, which is also known as wireless connectivity. Modem is also known as wireless connectivity. In all these applications, advanced risk machine is used. First application होउची तमरो video games, second application होउची video games controller, third application game होउची तमरो mobile phones, fourth one is your modem, and another one is also there. आहुरी ओटे भी अछि, that is your handycams camera. Handycams cameras. All these applications are having the advanced risk machine microcontroller. Okay. So we discuss one by one. Next is your main features of ARM, which is nothing but your advanced risk machine. So what are the features available in ARM? Your first feature is complete architecture. Complete architecture or architectural simplicity or architectural simplicity. आमे आज देखिबा को एप्लिकेशन रे एडवांस्ड रिस्क मशीन माइक्रो कंट्रोलर यूज होची, आ कोन पाई यूज होची, आ तार बेनिफिट कोन. सो आवर फर्स्ट फीचर इज complete architecture or architectural simplicity. Next feature is your back end. Next feature is your back end, and next is your arm construct. Arm construct. आमे समस्ते आगरू रिस्क मेसिन सिस्क मेसिन पढ़ी सारी। आज आम देखा एडवांस रिस्क मेसिन रो फीचर्स कौन। एडवांस रिस्क मेसिन रो फर्स्ट फीचर होची आर्किटेक्चरल सिंप्लिसिटी। आर्किटेक्चरल सिंप्लिसिटी कौन? आर्किटेक्चरल सिंप्लिसिटी व्हिच allows small implementation, which allows small implementation, which allows small implementation, which results you low power consumption, low power consumption. So architectural simplicity gives you low power consumption. Low power consumption, this is the first feature of ARM. समस्ते गोटे जिनस रियल टाइम रे चिंता कर। आज आम जहाँ भी किसी इलेक्ट्रोनिक जिनस यूज करुचे जहाँ आउटडेटेड इलेक्ट्रोनिक जिनस थिला, they consume more power and they consume more electricity also. But today's advanced risk machine will consume low power. This is the first feature, low power consumption. Next is your back end. Okay, next is your back end. Risk does not have, CISC does not have any back end, but in advanced risk machine microcontroller it is having the back end. Okay, मु कौन कहली रिस्क माइक्रोप्रोसेसर रे ए सबु जिनस नथिला, दैट इज बैक एंड, बट इन एडवांस्ड रिस्क मशीन इट इज हैविंग द बैक एंड. लास्ट वन इज योर आर्म कंस्ट्रक्शन. लास्ट वन इज योर आर्म कंस्ट्रक्शन. एवरीथिंग जहाँ भी किसी आम कंस्ट्रक्ट करुचे एडवांस्ड रिस्क मशीन माइक्रो कंट्रोलर भितरे, दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल द डाटा बस, एड्रेस बस एंड कंट्रोल बस executing the instruction with 32-bit data, with 32-bit data, and the register present in the ARM RISC microprocessor also having 32-bit data. So next we will discuss the history of advanced risk machine microcontroller. History of ARM. Let us discuss history of ARM. It was developed by Acorn Computer Limited. It was developed by Acorn Computer Limited in the year 1983 to 1985 at Cambridge University, London. At Cambridge University, London. So the history of ARM is it was developed by Acorn Computer Limited in the year 1983 to 1985 at Cambridge University, London. Okay, so next we will discuss why we are using RISC instead of CISC and why we are using the enhancement of RISC. Okay, so our next segment is why we are using RISC इंस्टेड